Hello students, we are solving the IB Math EE HL past paper questions and currently we are solving the IB Math EE HL May 2023 paper 1 time zone 1 past paper. Today we will be solving question number 3 of this paper and you will be getting the links to all the previously solved questions of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlists in my channel NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. So without any further delay, let us start answering question number 3. The maximum mark is 6. Solve cos 2x equal to sin x where x is greater than or equal to negative pi but is less than or equal to positive pi. Okay, so cos 2x equal to sin x. Now, one of the techniques of solving a trigonometric equation is to represent the entire equation in one ratio. Over here, we are having the cosine ratio and the sine ratio. So our target should be to have the entire equation in one ratio. I cannot change sin x, but I can change cos 2x because I know the double angle identity. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin squared x. So in place of cos 2x, I'll be writing 1 minus 2 sin squared x equal to sin x. And this is a quadratic equation. You may substitute if you feel that you will not be able to handle this sin x, substitute. Okay, I'm substituting. Let a equal to sin x. Therefore, 1 minus 2a square is equal to a. Okay, or 2a square plus a minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so factorizing it, we get 2a square plus 2a minus a minus 1 is equal to 0. And this is 2a, a plus 1 and minus 1, a plus 1 is equal to 0. So this gives us 2a minus 1 and a plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So if we take 2a minus 1 equal to 0, therefore a, which is equal to sin x, is equal to half. If 2a minus 1 is equal to 0, then a will be equal to half. So sin x equal to half, or a equal to sin x equal to negative 1. Now we have to get the values of x. Okay. So when is sin x equal to half? Sin x is positive in the first and the second quadrant. So from the first quadrant, the value of x will be 30 degrees or pi over 6. From the second quadrant, it will be pi minus pi by 6. So pi minus pi over 6. These are the only two values of x that we can get from this equation, sin x equal to half. Now coming to this equation, sin x equal to negative 1. If you remember the sin x curve, you should be knowing that when x is equal to 270 degrees or 3 pi over 2, sin x is equal to negative 1. But we cannot write x equal to 3 pi over 2 because x is ranging between negative pi and positive pi, both included. Okay, so the first two quadrants are traveled in an anti-clockwise direction. So these are positive angles, and these two quadrants, the third and the fourth quadrant angles, are formed by the clockwise rotation of the revolving ray. So these are negative angles. Okay, we have to come to the same position. This is 3 pi by 2 if traversed in the anti-clockwise direction. But I have to come to the same place, but I cannot traverse along the counterclockwise direction. I have to move in this direction. Since it is the clockwise direction, the angle that will be made is a negative angle. So this is, you can just see this is a 90 degrees. So this angle is negative pi over 2. Okay. So, or from here we will be getting only a single value, negative pi over 2. So the final answer will be x equal to pi over 6. Pi minus pi over 6 is pi over 6 and negative pi over 2. Okay. So we have solved question number 3. Thank you for watching. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math ASL and HL level tutor, and I tutor students from both within India and outside India. And I offer both one-on-one and small group online tutoring services to my students. And in case you're liking my explanations, please to give this video a like and please to share this video with your friends so that even they can get benefited by watching this video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be motivating me to make more math videos for you. We meet again very soon. And in case you are having any doubts, any confusion, please feel free to write to me in the comment section. I'll be trying my level best to solve your doubts and confusions. We meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving the next question of this same paper. Till then, bye.